In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Facebook Messenger. Start by opening the Messenger app on your Android phone or your iPhone. Look for the familiar blue chat bubble icon with a white lightning symbol, then tap it once. When the app opens, you should see your recent conversations list, along with your profile picture somewhere on the screen. If the app asks you to log in first, enter your details and you will land on that main chat screen. Now that Messenger is open, look toward the very top left corner of the screen for the menu button. It looks like three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Go ahead and tap that menu icon. The screen will slide or fade into a new panel. You should now see a sidebar or full screen menu with your profile name at the top and several options listed below, such as people and stories, depending on your version. From there, we move into your Messenger settings. Find and tap the Settings option with the small gear icon next to it. After you tap Settings, the app will open a new screen dedicated to your account and app preferences. Here you will see different sections such as Account, Preferences, and maybe Notification Controls. A quick tip here, Messenger often groups visual appearance options in this area, so when you are looking for display tweaks, this is where you will usually come. Next up, look through the settings screen for the option labeled Dark Mode. It should be near the top of the list, often inside a section related to appearance. Tap Dark Mode once. When you do, a smaller panel or a new screen will appear that shows several choices for how dark mode behaves. Beginners sometimes miss that this is a separate control from your phone theme, so it is worth pausing here for a second to read the options. At this point, select the option labeled On. Give it a single tap. The moment you choose On, Messenger will immediately apply the change. You will see the background of the app turn to a dark or almost black color, while your text and icons switch to lighter colors. There is no extra save button here. The setting is applied as soon as you select it. This darker look can feel easier on your eyes in low light, and it often reduces the amount of bright white on your screen. With dark mode now enabled, Messenger will stay in this darker style whenever you open it, until you come back to this same dark mode screen and change the setting again. So now you have successfully turned on dark mode in Facebook Messenger, making your chats easier to read in dim light. And if this helped you get your Messenger looking the way you like, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple Messenger tips.